Hello friends, if you are a working professional and often find yourself very stressed, exhausted at the end of a day because of your heavy workload, tight time schedules and number of assignments, and you often struggle to have a healthy work-life balance, then this video is for you. Do watch till the end. But before we move, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'll be uploading my next videos. This is Prajwal Gaikwad and you are watching the series of my motivational videos, Meaningful Life, where we help to be you want to be. Very recently I came across the post which truly explains that what's more important in the journey of making the life successful. Friends, tell me, to whom you will call a successful person? As explained in my many previous videos, and of course we live in a world where it is often says that more you earn is more you are successful, but what we are missing is the work-life balance. Work-life balance is the word which many professionals worldwide often fails to achieve. Guys, I have seen many young professionals who often complains about their time management, that they don't have a time. Of course, we live in a world which is very competitive and it is so much stressed. Now this stress is hurting all of us. Not me, but the data states that. Guys, you won't believe, but there are almost 33% of people reported feeling extreme stressed. Approximately 77% of people experience stress that affects their physical health. Almost 73% of people have stress that impacts their mental health. And about 48% of people have trouble in sleeping because of stress. Guys, when we analyze in depth that what are the main causes of making someone's life stressful, then we find that money plays a vital role in making someone's life hell. Money plays almost 70% of part to make someone's life stressful, and then after comes his or her work. Family responsibilities plays 20% of his stressed life. Then after comes relationships and of course their personal health. But you will be surprised to know that the finance part plays a least role in making one's life successful. And moreover, people knows about it. According to a survey made among the group of women and men, 50% of them have agreed upon that to make someone's life successful, they should have a good relationships, a place in the family, a place in the community, and of course the love is needed to have a successful life. Happiness, enjoyment, that also plays a very vital role in making someone's life successful. Work and work-life balance is the one that they agreed upon. And you can see from this graph that least important, the financial success is the least important in making the life successful. See guys, you have seen that there is no any direct relationship between the financial success and the successful life. Still, people often trap themselves in the race of money making. We are all toiling hard to earn more and more money, but while earning so, what balance we have to keep is very beautifully explained by the Google CEO, Mr. Sundar Pichai. What he says? Mr. Pichai says that imagine life is a game of 5 balls that you manipulate in the air and trying not to fall these balls. Nothing else. It's just like the things you have seen in your childhood or in a circus. The artist plays with the ball and walks over the rope, etc., etc. Same thing. And in this life game, you are a hero. And you have a given 5 balls, out of which one of rubber and the rest are of the glass. And these 5 balls are your work, your family, your health, your peace, and your soul. The sense of your satisfaction. And it will be not a long before you realize that the work is a rubble ball, and whenever you will fall, you will jump again. But while other balls are made of glass, if one of them falls, it will not return to its previous form. Message is very simple and clear, guys. You are earning the money to live the life. You are not living this beautiful life just to earn the money. You are earning for your family. Family comes first. Once it is broken, it is broken. And equally important, your health, your peace and sense of satisfaction. Guys, of course, that things seems very easy to say, but very hard to act upon, very hard to implement. And you will find the number of people around you, those who will say, भाई सब लोग कर रहे थे, तुझे क्या problem है? When everybody is doing, then what's your problem? Actually, the job which you are doing, thousands of people are dreaming about it. And the family, your family's survival is on the salary. Don't you forget that. So keep your mouth shut and do your job. That's average guy thinking. That's what every working professional thinks, an average guy. Are you an average guy? Or do you believe that you deserve something better from what you have right now? And if you believe so, then it's time to do the things differently. Guys, remember, what you deserve is what you earn. So forget about the earnings. You are here to make a difference, or you will die like any other average guy. So decide what you have to do. Friends, as a content creator, one challenge I often face is to make some time for this video making. Because like yours, I do have a full-time job. I do have a family to look after, and things like cricket, cricket is the thing, I can't keep myself out of that. As I explained in my previous video, the video of rebuilding, when I started again, because I said that I was away from this video making for last 2-3 months, and I missed that. Guys, this missing feeling is very cruel, because you know that you can do it, you have that capabilities to do, and you have done in the past, but you often find some reason to keep away from you. In my case, it was video making, and in your case, that might be some other thing. Many of them knows, many of them don't know what are the unique capabilities you have. But I have seen the people, they don't even explore what they can do better. Or if many of them knows, they often find the reason to just let the things go, and they don't do it. And once the time is past, it is past. What they can do is just to regret. Guys, the main motive for making this video is that just day before yesterday I post a cricket t-shirts of myself and my son Vihan on my WhatsApp status, and in office many of my friends asked that what's that, and actually right now the tournament is going on in our society, and cricket tournament is going on, and I am the part of it. So many of my friends asked that how you can manage all these things, making video, doing job and cricket and all those things. Many of them was young professionals, and as I said in previous, in earlier I said that many young professionals worldwide, these are the young professionals who complains that sir, we can't do the things like you do. One message to those guys, I believe that every creature in this world born with the unique ability, right? Just explore those things, what you can do better, because you know better what you love, and you can do that. Just make time for the things you love to do. Message is very simple, guys, and I hope that you have understood. I hope this video will try to inspire you in some extent and will motivate you. Do let me know how you felt after watching this video. And If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe to it and share this video with your family and friends also. This is Prajwal Gaikwad signing off. Thanks for watching and stay motivated.